For me, if you want to see Margaret's achievements, you just have to look around. It's very, in that way, it's very straightforward. You only have to go to Saul Chapel, Pennyglide Library, the Play Yard, the Factory, Little Ring Gwyn. All of them symbolise what Valley's kids mean and what Margaret has contributed.
She is one of the most resilient and strongest people that I know, and she makes things happen. And I think that that's a pretty remarkable thing. She's like an ally to her community.
The amount of people who has developed and grown and learned so many skills because of the work that she's done, and the amount of people she's influenced is unbelievable. And there's still people these days who talk about Margaret and the work that she's done, how hard she's worked throughout the years.
She stands up for what she believes, and she will argue for what she believes, and she encourages others to do that.
Margaret is a force of nature. That's what Margaret is. If you go to Valley's Kids and you spend half an hour or half a day or a whole day, you will see Margaret's personality coming out of you from almost the physicality of the building.
She has the capacity to work at a community level and at a strategic level, and I think that that's a fairly unusual and exceptional thing. People are either very good at one thing or the other, but Margaret manages to kind of span that entire spectrum. And there are hundreds of people in the valleys whose lives have been changed because they've come into contact and encountered Margaret.